on this really rainy, sleepy day in upstate South Carolina. I want to share with y'all my latest addition to my Etsy shop and my latest creation. I made this using my Shabby Vignette digital kit that you can find in my Etsy shop. And well, I hope that y'all enjoy and find some inspiration. All right, where do I start? Okay, so what we have here is pockets. Got some gorgeous dangles hanging here on the end that I've tea-dyed. Got a snippet here. A bunch of lace dangling down, lace and trims, pretty little applique, pretty piece of bling on a bulb pin and hanging on a rusty paper clip. So I guess I'll start in the front. All right, so I took the two files that y'all can find in my Shabby Vignette kit and I made them into pockets. So that's what we have here. They're actually cute little files. Let me take the stuff out of them so that y'all can get a better look. We'll just go by one by one. A piece of glue. Okay, so there are tickets. The ephemera in the kit includes tickets. Look at those pearls. I think they're so pretty. Oh, another ticket. Little tag, a bunch of little tags, little books. Doilies. So y'all can see now how that's a file. And I did line the file on the inside with another one of my papers from the kit, but then I put some music paper up here and ripped on that and thought I just really like it like that. I love the age look that gives. But y'all look at that file. I think that is so pretty. So pretty. And over here I just made a snippet out of some really pretty flower trim and some lace and a piece of fabric and a really pretty piece of pearl and pearl flower with some clear diamondette gem things, rhinestones. Thought that was really pretty. This one, you know, let's go into this one too. So more tickets, flowers and pearls, some shimmery sequins, some more roses, cabbage roses, and another tag. This one, a little harp with some roses and some linens. And I added just a touch of that mint green that you'll find throughout the kit. They're just little touches of the mint green. And here's the other file. I love that. I love the look of that. And then a piece of trim up underneath. Y'all can see that the pocket is also made out of one of the papers from my kit. Y'all can see all the pearls behind and the colors. So let's go in the pocket. I'm going to pull both things out of the pocket that's in the pocket and then show y'all. All right, so here's the main big pocket. And the back of it is made out of my stenciled shimmery digital kit. I lined it with that. I just thought that went really well together. I like that whole look. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side, or I might still want to see it. I don't know. All right, so I've put together a small little journal. I did not stuff it full of anything because, you know, you have stuff here if you want to do that, or you can print out the kit and stuff it, or stuff it with your own stuff. And I've made sure to leave plenty of room to write as well. but I do have the trim on the side, applique on the bottom. This is made with one of the digitals in the Shabby Vignette kit. And what I added was all of the pages that you would find in that kit. It's so cozy to me. Oh, I don't like the shadow that light is casting there. More pretty trim. I was just really, really excited to release this kit into my shop. I love the way that it turned out. And was excited to show y'all and share it with y'all and to do something with it. Oh, got a little piece of glue there. There we go. The prettiest little trim. And cameo. In the back, more trim. Okay, and over here, I have a double glassine bag. I wish that I could remember where I got these bags. I think this is my last one. I was asked before where I got them, and I truly don't remember. I wish that I did. Anyway, I coffee dyed the double bag. And you know what? Let's go in it first, and then I will show you more of the outside. Okay, so in that first pocket with the bag, I've got a guest check. And I've got a little clip that I embellished. And more tags held together with some pearls. Oh, I hate that shadow. I'll have to do something about that. Maybe because it's so dark outside. I don't know. But anyway, here's one of the guest checks. And another guest check with a big pretty satin bow. Some gorgeous bling here. I love that. And I love the way it looks hanging out of the pocket. And some pretty roses and chocolates. Okay, and here's the glassine bag that I embellished. It's one of my prints. Got some fabric back here, some more lace and cheesecloth, pretty applique, and then the cutest dangles. I love these dangles. Alright guys, that is it for this short video, but I did want to share with y'all. This whole package here, everything that I showed y'all is available right now in my Etsy shop. And as is the digital kit. Alright, well I hope that this has inspired y'all, and thanks for watching. Bye.